Hey Sneaker Fame, welcome back to Superb Unboxing. Today we are reviewing and unboxing Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Carbon Beluga. Stay with us, we check out everything about this sneaker, and this video is sponsored by kickx.cn. This is a website providing best top quality replica sneakers. If you want to buy any type of sneaker, Air Jordan, slides, cloth, Nike, Easy, Adidas, Gucci, popular shoe brand, you get them all. This website link in the description box. Go and check it out. Let's get started with the music vibe unboxing.